Hello guys, once again welcome back to the channel. We'll continue where we have left off last time. We got the crab, we got the green car going. What we need to work on next is work on the cake, work on the crab lives, how that works, and also work on other small other vehicle. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. And please comment down below on our video if you like. Alright, now let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do next is we are going to work on the code for the cake first. Okay, we will go here, we'll say start. So when green flag start, what we want to do, we want to generate a cake somewhere on the top lane only. Okay, now let me put this over here actually, so we don't want to block that. So we have the live on one side, the score on the other side, and then we have the cake on top. So what we want to do is we want to generate the cake only like this. And you can change the cake size. Let's see. Okay, we are going to set the size of the cake. Now we'll make it 40%. Then we will say go to X and Y. What we're going to do is we are going to set it up on top 160, so somewhere on top of this lane. For the X position, we'll pick a random. So what we're going to do is we are going to make it -200 to 200. So basically anywhere on top here. And we are going to have the thing say show. So if I push this now, as you can see, the cake is somewhere up on this side. I mean, you can maybe move it a little bit higher. I mean, it depends. I think it's okay either way because the map may be different. Right, so let's say we start again. You see the cake is in different position. It's in different position, but it's always generating on the top of the lane. Okay. So next, what we're going to do is we saw the remember the message got cake, right? So when the crab catch the cake, we broadcast catch got cake. So we need to add this here now. We go back to the event. We'll say when I receive, we are going to hide it. We are going to change the score by 1. And what we can do is we will broadcast a new message, say start again. So when we see this message later, the crab can move back to this position. And we'll say wait for 2 seconds before it generates the cake again. What we can do is we are going to duplicate this code here. So after we catch the cake, we come back, it will create a new cake again. Alright. We will have to have some code here to make the crab go back, right? Because we grab the cake, the crab, you don't want the crab to stay there, right? So what you can do is in the crab, you add, say when I receive, start again. And we are going to move him back to this position. Now go to this position and we'll do a wait for 1 second before it begin, so the cake will generate. Now let's just try it out. So we don't have much car, right? We'll run past here, we'll catch the cake. If you can see, I have one score, right? And we go across, we catch the cake, we get 2 score 2, right? And we still have 5 lives. What we need to do is we have to work on the hit the crab, right? You remember the car can hit the crab. We broadcast hit crab. What we need to go is we have to go back to the crab And we have to start a new section of code. What we say is hit crab. So what we want to do is when it hit the crab, we want to set this action, stop action, to yes. That means we want to stop the other action on the other thing, other car, making sure that it doesn't get hit more than once. And we want to change the live by -1. And then we have to switch to custom B. Basically, the crab got hit, right? We want to switch to custom B, and we want to do a little wait, and we want to check. We want to check if the live is 0. Or you can always say like live is 0 or less than 0 if you want, but I think it's okay since we have this to stop it. It will never go to negative. So you can say lives equal to 0. Then you can say stop all. Or you can have a broadcast another message saying game over, right? You can do that. I think you guys know how to do that now. You can just, for now, we can say stop all here. And if not, we want to switch it back to custom A. After it get hit, right, we want to switch back to custom A. And we want to reset this variable stop action to no. So now, and we want to broadcast start again. So just select start again. So what it does is if we get hit or he get the cake, the crab will come back here. So let's test this out real quick. So you can see if I catch the cake, my crab will go back to the middle here. Or if I get hit by a car, let's see. You see I get hit by a car, I turn a little bit blue, then I come back. So as you can see, so if I have one more live, the game ends, you see. Even though the car hit the crab multiple times, right, because it runs him over, so we don't take more than one live because this stop action will help to do that, right? That's why we needed that. Okay, so far we have one car working, we have the crab working, we have the live working, we have the score working, and we have the kick working. Okay, so next I want to show you guys is let me do one edit. I'll show you one edit with the old truck. So what I did was you can just search for old truck cartoon PNG. You can download this truck, but this is not a transparent background, unfortunately. You can make some change to it. So let me upload it, I'll show you. So this is the old truck I download. As you can see, it couldn't, you see some white stuff, right? It shouldn't, if it's a transparent, you can see the cat here. So this is messed up, right? So what you need to do, you go to here, use this magic thing, magic marker, just kind of highlight the truck. Okay, so as you can see, you kind of fill up the truck. So you see the truck is pretty good. It might miss a little bit on top, but I think can't really do anything with that. So it's not, see, it's not 100% perfect, right? But it's near perfect. So as you can see now, it's not completely blocking the cat, right? So you can see it's transparent now. So what you can do is this. So right click, you can say save to local file. It will give you something called old truck sprite 2. That means the older version of sprite, older version of Scratch. So when you export, right, save again. So this is the sprite for version 2. So it created this file. After that, you can come back to your code here, and you can use this, and you say upload, and you can use this truck 2. so it will automatically convert to become truck version 3 of Sprite Scratch. So now you have the truck. So what we can do is we can make the truck go a little bit slow. We can put them somewhere around here, this line here. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to make work on the truck now. We are going to make him go to negative 250, right? We'll use 250, and then we're gonna make him go to 60. And you can change the size of the truck. So here, the truck, we can set the size here as well. So this is 40. So as you can see, the truck is still pretty big. I mean, depending on the, maybe you can say 30. So 30 seems okay with the truck. Okay, now you can do the forever loop, similar to the one that we had already, right? What we can do is actually we can drag it and send it over. So let's just do all the size here. Actually, probably will be easier. Let's remove this because I think different sprite have different size. So let's drag this over here. You see this wobbly, and then just drop it. It'll create it over there. So now let's go to the truck. We'll change the position back. So the truck is pretty much the same as the green car. So because it's facing the same side, we want it to go to the other end, will disappear and come back here. The truck will make it like 2, so it'll go a little bit slower. And if we hit the crab, it'll do the same broadcast. Okay, so the truck is done now. So let's just test it out a little bit. As you can see, the truck is going a little slow. So you can adjust it a little bit, maybe here, right? You don't want them running on the yellow. I mean, depending where, so you can change it. So this is 70 actually. So let's put in the 70. So now let's run it. So you can see the truck is going a little slow. That gives the player a little bit of time before they're actually trying to get the kick. Okay. Okay, alright, we got the truck. We can add the police car. Oh, they don't have where to upload that. So same thing with the police car. You can like download the police car, kind of erase that, you know. But well, I don't want to do that again. But you guys know how to do it. What I can do is I'm gonna export it from the other game and going to import the police car here. Okay, so I went to my folder where I have the police car, similar thing. I just import it. So now I have my police car. Okay, so I have my police car here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the code from the truck and copy over to the police car. Since the police car also facing the same side, it's pretty much the same, except for the location of the police car. So as you can see, the police car, when you move it, we want to put them over here. So it's about 108, right? So we'll put 108. And since the police car, you can see the police car is actually pointing the other way, right? It's pointing the left side. If you can zoom in a little bit, you can see it. See the police car, the head is on this side. So what you have to do, if you want to put a police car on this side, run across, what you have to do is you have to actually change it. Instead of a positive number, you have to use a negative number. So that's why I'm purposely showing you putting it on this side. So now the police cars, because of the direction, right? You see this direction negative 90. So if you put 90, the police car is facing the other side. So if you want him to go this way, then you have to put negative 90. Since it's negative 90, so you do not want to put so this should be negative 90, right? Or you can change it here also, that's fine. You can drop this out. So now you have this. So what happened is the police car will go on to here and disappear. Now let's just test it out. So as you can see, the police car is traveling pretty fast. Okay, we're missing something. Okay, the police car is not coming back. We forgot to set the position back. So you see, this is, I messed it up, right? I had a negative, right? Negative 250. Let me try, since this is the opposite, right? So let's run it again. So you see, it got stuck over there, right? Okay, let's try this. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake here. I put 250, so that was too much. So we actually want to put it like 230 here. So when it's over 230, we will come back. Also here, I think this is also messed up. 230. Let's not use 250 here, because sometimes some sprite, depending on the size, it might be messed up. Okay, alright. So we got the police car, we're going negative 9. Also, we're pointing into this direction. I think we can take this out. Let's put it back in, because we have negative 90 here. Let's just try it again, make sure it works. So this car, go to the end and come back. Okay, so we're good there. So let's make some car that go on the other side. Okay, we have that. We have the truck. We can add a truck. Say truck. Oh, they don't have truck here. Okay, they don't have the food truck anymore. Okay, they don't have the food truck anymore. Oh, they did. Here it is. Okay, and also we want the big truck as well. Okay, all right. So this big truck has a different costume. What we can do is we can move the big truck on the top lane, like right here, and we can switch the costume so that they have different costume. Okay, we're gonna drag this in. This is the truck. Oh, let me just copy the code from the other side. It will be faster actually. We'll not have enough time if not. So let's finish that. So we copy it over here. We're gonna adjust it a little bit. So the position will change it actually. We can change it to okay, let's try them on this side. We'll put them on the other side, like this side will come on this side, and we'll put 155. And the truck, let's put him at 40%. Probably will work. And since it's coming on the other side, you have to use the -5 because we're flipping him around. And we have to point him to -90. And we'll just set this over here. Okay. Alright, so now the truck will be going this way. For this, we are going to have to check the position differently because it's going this way now for this sprite. So it depends on how the sprite is going, so this condition may be different. And you have to check if it's greater than 230. If it's less than -230, sorry, because it's going from the other side, right? So -230. Then we want to set them back to 245. So the truck will go back to the right side. Okay, let's test this out for now. Ignoring this truck here, we'll hide this guy. Let's just try it out right now. Oh, so this is not correct. So the truck is not correct. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think direction is wrong on the truck. Oh, I have 90 here, that's why. Let's take this back out. Let's put them back at negative 90. Okay, let's try it again. Nope, not correct. Okay, I made a mistake with the movement, so I changed it back to +5 since I rotated to negative, pointing this way. So now let's test it out again. It should work now. So the truck is going this way. Then it goes to the end and come back. So you just have to play with this between this negative and then this position check here and then the movement. So depending on the sprite, how it faces, it might be changed differently. Okay, alright, so we got that. So now let's get to the food truck. So the food truck is the last one, I believe, for our game. Oh, maybe, oh, we have a, yeah, I think my old game has a bus also. Okay, now let's copy the code. We'll take this one. Okay, alright. So, let's try the food truck, put them at the bottom here. Let's see where to show him. Okay, he's a little big. So the food truck, let's say make him 20%. Yeah, it looks good. I think because of this little thing on top, it could actually hit the crab even though it's not exactly near there. Okay, so we'll move him down here. Okay, we'll change the X position. We'll do, let's try this. And here's negative 90 or negative 80, right? 86. You see 86 here, right? So let's try 4. Let's switch this different location. Let's see. Okay, we'll make him go from this side. So they'll come back over here. Now let's kind of test this out. Always getting it wrong. I think this is have to be like this. We'll have to do it like that. Okay, let's try it now. The truck is going backward. Okay, so this is not correct. Let's do this. Let's put him back. Let's just make it a little easier. Put him 90. And we're going to use the positive number here. Okay, alright. I think we should just, wherever the truck is facing, we'll do that. That would be easier. Instead of you change him around, sometimes it kind of mess you up. Okay, so we have that already. Now we add one more. The school bus. Let's add one more, see if the bus is there. Okay, this will be our last one. And also in this old truck, actually, if you want, you can kind of change the change the costume between each time. So that way, you know, after you run through, you have the next costume. You can put it like this. So the costume of the truck is different. Same thing with the food truck. You can add that as well. Because the food truck has different costume, as you can see, right? Okay, the bus. Alright, so we're almost there. So the bus, we'll make the bus go maybe the other way. So let's see what we can do. We'll have to copy the code here, drag it over to the bus. Okay, so the bus, we are going to make him maybe 45, 40, 45. So the bus is around here. Going to add that. So this is around 15, right? I don't know where. Let's just see all my cars first. Yeah, so we want to make a bus around this way. Okay. Want to put the bus around here, right? So 15. Let's see how it works. So the bus is not correct. Can try this. Okay, so we have the spool bus going correctly now. Let's see. Yep, looks like it's correct now. So far we have all the code now for all the different sprite. So now let's test the game out. Okay, it's a little tough. We'll try to cross the street. I got hit. So let me get this over here. So it's too much car. So as you can see, it's not that easy to get it, but as you can see, you can change it a little bit, make the car go a little slower if the police car is going too fast, right? Make it maybe 8. Okay, I'll make myself a little easier. Let's go down everything by 1, 6. Okay, this is 2 is fine. This is 8. This 3 is fine. This guy is 5. This is 4. I think the only one is police car. Let's make him 7. It's too fast. Okay, now let's see if we have a better chance of getting the kick. Alright. Okay, so you see we got the kick. There you go. So that's how the game works. So you just kind of change the speed that you like and go across and get the kick. That's the end of the game. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.